friends, in this video we will be discussing the practice set 2.1 and the first question is classify the decimal form of the given rational numbers into terminating and non-terminating recurring type. So this is a rational number. First I will find its decimal form and I have to classify it. That means I have to say it is terminating or non-terminating. So first we will find the decimal form. So this is a method you used to do in standard 7th itself actually. Just dividing it and finding its decimal form. So first is 5, 2s are 10 and the remainder is 3. Now we have to do it till we reach 0 or till we get some numbers are repeating. So that is our aim. So first thing I will introduce a decimal point and then I will put 0. This 0 I will use here. So 5, 6 are 30. And then I got remainder 0. So the decimal form of this 13 by 5 is 2.6 and this is of the terminating type. Okay, the next sub question is by 11. Here also I have to follow the division method. I have to divide 2 by 11. First 11 zeros are 0, 2 remainder. Decimal point is introduced and then this 0 is used here. So 11 ones are 11. 9 remainder, again 0 is introduced, 11 8s are 88, again remainder 2, again 0 will be introduced and this will continue, again I will get 1 and 8, so this 1 8 is repeating over here, so decimal form of 2 by 11 is 0.18 with 1 8 reoccurring, so this is of what type? The second type, that is non-terminating, and it is not terminating as well as it is recurring. It is not stopping and plus some number, now a few digits are repeating again and again. So non-terminating recurring number. So this is above this 1 8. Okay. So from this question I will be doing only 2 sub questions because this is the recalled part. These things or this type of problems we have already solved in standard 7. So I can expect you to solve the rest 3 questions similarly. And if you face any problems while solving, please write in the comment section, because if you have any problems I will include those problems in some other sums in some other video. Okay. So please try the rest sums on your own, and if you have any doubt, write in the comment section. Now we will go the question number 2. Question number 2 is, this also is actually recall part only. I have already learned and done this sums. The question 2 is, we have to find the decimal form. Find the decimal form. The first question is 127 upon 200. Okay, we have to find the decimal form of this rational number. Now 127 upon 200. If you notice, this is same as 200 is 2 times 100. So when you divide a number by 100, I have to shift the decimal point 2 times to the left side. Now the decimal point is, suppose 127 is same as this. Yeah, only 1 0. Okay, 0.0 I can write. Now I have to shift this decimal point twice to the left side. So this is same as 1.27 divided by 2. The 2 will remain only 100. By dividing by 100, I have to shift the decimal point to the left. So 100 will get cancelled and So this is equal to 1.27 divided by 2. Now I will use the normal division method. I will divide 1.27 by 2. Zeros are 0, 1 remainder. 2, 2 6 are 12, 0 remainder. Now the 7 also I have to think about. I cannot leave it like that only. So 2 3s are 6. Again 1 remainder. I introduce a 0. You can have any number of zeros, right? If it's 0, then 2 5s are 10, and then I get remainder 0. So the decimal form of this 127 upon 200 is 0.63, same as 0.635. Okay, now let's try the next problem. That is 25 upon 99. Here also this here also. So here also I introduce a decimal point. Now 99 into 2 will be what? 99 into 1 is not enough. 2 maybe. Let's write the table over here. 99 into 1 is 99. 99 into 2 is 198. And 99 into 3 is 297. And 99 into 4 will be 396, and 99 into 5 will be 495. 99 into 6 is 594. And let's see if we need more of this. Okay, so 250 means we have to use 2s are 198. So what is the remainder? 2 and 5, 14. 1 carried. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 4. We have to carry 1 from here. So 14 minus 9 is 5. And 1 is carried. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Now I have 52. So I can use another 0. 520. And for 520 I can use this. So 5s are 99 into 5 is 495. In the remainder will be 5. 1 carried 12, 1 carried 10, 10 minus 5 is 5, 11 minus 9 is 2, and 0. 25. Again I get 250. Now again this will repeat. That is 2s are 198. So 2525 will repeat. That means this is same as 0.25 with 25 repeating. This was the second problem. Okay, so this also you have done in standard 7. So rest 3 problems you can do on your own. It will be very simple. And if you have any doubts or if you face any problems, please write in the comment section. Okay, in question number 3, this is a new thing we learned. That is finding P by Q form. So they will give us the decimal form or the recurring decimal form. From that we have to find the P by Q form of that particular rational number. So few examples we already did in the last video. Now let's try to solve the exercise. So first question is 0.6 and 6 is repeating. Okay, so how do we find the P by Q form? So first thing is let this be x. X is equal to 0.6, and then I will multiply x with 10. If I multiply x with 10, 10x will be what? 10 into so this will be 6.5. this is 10 into 0.66. Again now 6. Now when I multiply by 10, this decimal point will shift to the right once. So 6.6 with 6 recurring. So now I can write. Now to get rid of this decimal part, 10x minus x will be equal to 6.6 dot minus 0.6 dot. Okay, now this will give me 6 because I have subtracted the 0.6 dot part from 6 point this. So I have 6 with me. And 10x minus x is 9x. So 9x is same as 6. This implies x is 6 by 9. So again I can reduce this by 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So this is same as 2 by 3. So x is 0.6 dot and its p by q form is 2 by 3. Now let's do question number 2. Okay, in question number 2 we have to find the p by q form of 0.37 and 37 is repeating. So here let this be x. Now to get rid of this decimal point, first step is, now after decimal point there are two numbers and these two numbers are repeating. So I will first multiply it with 100. So I will find 100x and this will be 37 repeating. Okay, when I am multiplying by 100, that means I am multiplying 100 with this number and shifting the decimal point twice. And since this 37 is repeating, again this will repeat n number of times. Okay, if you have not followed, I will write these steps. 100x means 100 into x. X is what? 0.3737 and this 37 is repeating. So multiply 100 means shifting the decimal point to 2 times. Then that will give me 37.37 and again this is repeating, so I am using that symbol. Okay, is this clear? Now 100x minus x will be 37.37 bar minus 0.37 bar. So this 0.37 bar will go and only 37 remains and this is 99. X is equal to 37 and x is equal to 37 upon 99. Now we cannot reduce this more because both does not have any common factor. So we cannot reduce it. This is the shortest form. So x is 37 by 99. That is p by q form of 0.37 bar is 37 upon 99. Now let's do question number 3. Now this is a new type of problem. So from these I will maximum do the problems. One problem I'll keep for exercise and you try to solve it. Okay. Question number 3 is similarly exercise. Now this we will try to solve. Okay. 15.89 bar. Now there are two after decimal point, two numbers are repeating. So this first thing what will be, I will name this as x and first I will multiply it with 100. Then I will get, when there is one number repeating, I multiply by 10. When there are two numbers repeating, I multiply by 100. Okay. So 100 into x will be 100 into 15.8989 and it goes on. Okay. This will be, when I am multiplying by 100, that means there are two zeros. I have to shift the decimal point twice towards the right, 2 times towards the right side. So it will be 1589.89 and it is repeating, so bar. So this is what the number is. So now 100x minus x. Because from 100x if I subtract this, I will I can get rid of this recurring part. Okay, so this will be 59.89 minus 15.89. So I can get rid of decimal part, plus I have to subtract 15 from this number. Okay. So So okay, so I'll write it below so that you understand better what I'm doing. Now I have to subtract this 15.89 bar. So when I subtract this will give me 0 and 9 is 4 and this will be 7. So 1574 is the answer. So now I can rub this. .89 bar, same as 1574. Okay, so 100, that is 99x is same as 1574. So x is 1574 upon 99. Okay, what is question number? In question number 5, we have 2.514 and 514 is repeating. So first name it as x. After decimal point, 3 numbers are in recurring. So I have to multiply by 1000. Simple. 1000x is 1000 into 2.514 and similarly it is repeating. So multiplying by 1000 means 3 decimal points shift towards right side. So 2, 5, what? 1, 2, 3. So I want decimal point here. Alright. And then again 514 will repeat. So 514 bar. This is 1000x. And 1000x minus x will give me minus 2.514 bar. So this will get subtracted from 0 and from here I have to subtract 2. So the answer will be 2512. Okay, so 99x, 1000 minus 1 is 99. 99x is equal to 2512. So x is what? 99 will go this side, so it will get divided upon 99. Oh, I'm sorry, 1000 minus x is 999. Not 99, I'm sorry. Okay, 3 nines. So 2512 upon 999. Okay, done. So this was the final question of practice set 2.1. Okay, from here now question number 1 and question number 2 I have done only 2 problems. Rest 3 problems you have to do on your own. And from this also the question number 3 I have left for exercise. Actually this is much simpler than these questions. Please try it on your own so that you get better understanding, and if you have any doubts please write in the comment section. I will try to solve those doubts. Okay, stay tuned for my video for the rest chapter. Thank you.